Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Uniswap at number 1, followed by IMX, Cosmos, UNUS, Ethereum Classic, Optimism, NEAR, Aptos, Injective, Stellar, and yeah, that's it. That's the 10th. So happy Valentine's Day. It's February the 14th. So I hope that you've prepared something nice for your loved ones, and hopefully you receive something as well, right? So best of luck. Moving on. Okay, where are we? Uniswap. Okay, let's look at Uniswap first. Uniswap against BTC. We are still under the skinny pink line, which means that Uniswap is still in a bearish trend. We're still under the skinny pink line. So we still have a target over here at 1052 and 576. But we're following in a very controlled manner, right? So let's say if we click this, what do you see? Very slow fall, right? And what you see is also the lows being wiped out. With this one little move, it wiped out the lows over here. And the whales may be preparing to reverse back up, right? We could be consolidating here to go higher. But it still remains to be seen, right? It's still not complete yet. This could still morph into something bearish as we head lower, of course. But yeah, we'll take it one step at a time. Against USD, we are bullish because for Uniswap against USD, we are above the skinny pink line. See this? We're above it. So there is conflicting information at the moment. Weak against BTC, strong against USD, as it should be. You should be strong against USD, but you want to be strong against BTC as well. And we're expecting it to hit to $25 eventually. Will we hit there, this month? Next month? Again, we're not sure. All we know is we're above the skinny pink line, and we anticipate the price to stay above the skinny pink line. Things may get noisy around here. We might get an inverse head and shoulders over here though. Again, we're not entirely sure. We still need more time, more information first before doing anything for Uniswap. Immutable X against BTC. Are we strong? Yes, we are. We are above the skinny pink line. So again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for IMX. We have a target over here at 9,006, which we acquired way back on the 21st of December, and we're still expecting more upside for IMX BTC, which is good. We want to see strength against BTC. Then only do we go long for that particular coin. Against USD, of course, it's super strong, right? Because it's already stronger than BTC. More upsides to be expected. Only thing is, there's no chart pattern for us to trade from. Where is the chart pattern? None. There's no chart pattern. All we know is that there's a consolidation here. Now it's zipping up. How much higher we're gonna go? We're not too sure. It's a no-go for us. As strong as it is, right? We still need to see, strong technicals. Atom against BTC. Okay, Atom's BTC pair is beautiful. Very important that we hold this low. We must hold this low, because once this low is taken out, then that's it. We're gonna have to, move on from Atom. But as long as this low holds, and if Atom BTC starts curving back up, there will be something of beauty that could be happening for Atom, right? Atom has never experienced a true blue bull run, but if Atom plays its cards right, and if it goes on a run, it will be crazy. Eventually, you see this become pancakes, right? As Atom goes crazy. Woohoo! Yeah. So by this point of time, we'll take it one step at a time, right? Against USD, again, we're mucking around because there's weakness against BTC. Right, this chart pattern can turn bullish or bearish depending on the price action. Again, you may consider this as something like a ascending, right? Okay, let's say we just leave the resistance. So value 1, value 2, value 3, right? Or you can just cut through here and consider this an inverse head and shoulders. But we're marking around the skinny pink line, so yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Against BTC, Leo is also displaying potential, right? You see this? A, B, C, D, E, out. Big things could be coming on for Leo, but it could be several years in the making though. So how much lower are we gonna go? Okay, we're not too sure. All right, if we pull the Fibonacci retracement, potentially 0.618. Right, maybe we clear the lows over here. Zoop, and we curve back up. Right. Again, we're not entirely sure. We're aware of the potential, So we'll take things one step at a time for Leo BTC. Against USD, I don't like this. Why? It's a rising channel. And we're marking around the skinny pink line. So that could be a zip lower. We're expecting a zip lower. But it's very weak, so let's just next Leo. EDC against BTC, Ethereum Classic. Again, the BTC pair. A lot of coins have a very high quality potential against the BTC pair, right? If you look at Ethereum Classic against BTC, do you see this? A, B, C, D, E. And then we blast off. That would be awesome, right? But how low are we going to go? That's the question. That's the question we want an answer to. We're already at 0.618, right? How much lower are we going to go? Are we going to start a recovery from here? Yes? No? Again, we're not entirely sure. Against USD, if you look at Ethereum Classic against USD, what's this? Right? We're touching the skinny pink line. And then we zipped up. And now we're like in a rising wedge kind of a chart pattern. Are we going to zip lower? Again, are we going to complete a 5-wave move? A, B, C, D, E, and we break higher? Yes? We're not too sure. So, yeah, it has potential though, but we'll see how it goes. We'll take it one step at a time. Up against BTC, above the skinny pink line. More upsides to be expected. Op has this knack of zipping up, consolidating, and zip up again, right? Now we zipped up. I suspect a consolidation is happening, but how much longer are we going to consolidate? We are not too sure. Is this the low of the consolidation? We are not too sure as well, because this was a higher high. If this was a lower high, it would have been awesome. This would have been a potential squeeze, but it's not. So it is what it is. Against USD, here we are. We're above the skinny pink line. Again, consolidation. Could this be a B? Coming down for a C, D, E, up. Could we get maybe ascending triangles? Up. Cup and handle. Again, we're not too sure. The op has been pretty untradeable though. Yeah, I can argue that this is like an A, B, C, D, E, an extended E. We hit higher. Maybe something like that. Not so tradable. Near. Let's go. Near against BTC. I keep seeing near advertisements on my Twitter feed. We're above the skinny pink line. So bullish bias for near. More upside? Yes, more upside. This is a very likely a wave 2. Wave 1, wave 2. Very likely we're going to go for a wave 3. I want to take a ride for a wave 3. So if near BTC is going to do well, you can bet your butt that near USDT is going to do so much better. Wave 1, wave 2. Oh, wave 3 is going to be awesome. Yeah, but we're still not entirely sure though. What's this? 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5 potentially. We could be in the midst of a wave 3. Were the signs clear? Not really. Right, noisy area. We hit it. And then now we're up. Yeah, nope. Again, I think this is the beginning of a wave 3. Subwave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subwave 1. Maybe once we see the second subwave, we can make an entry. And then take a 3, 4, 5. The whole wave 3. Would be great though. But yeah, be wise to wait for a consolidation first. For near. We're bullish, but we are patient. Apt against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Anything for Aptos? Still weak. Under the skinny pink line. Against USD. Aptos is still marking around. So it's like, yo bro, are we curving back down? Or what? Is this a squeeze of sorts? There's nothing much for us for Aptos. Nothing much for Aptos. Injective. What's happening, Injective? Okay, Injective is coming down. But we're still above the skinny pink line. So we remain with our bullish bias and we assume that this is consolidation for more upside for Injective. Right? We're already in price discovery, so more upsides to be expected. We hit 0.001. It's a round number. So very likely whales are selling around this area. But I suspect there's still more upside. So yeah, I don't see a bearish reversal yet though. There's some indecisions last month. Maybe this month we might drop a little bit. But I expect the lows of the body to hold though. So we should not go past 5,000. 4,008 to be precise, around 4,008. 4,008, yeah. Here. Should not surpass here. So there should be a reversal eventually for Injective BTC if it were to remain with our bull trend. So that's Injective BTC for you against USD. Still bullish. We still expect more upside. Again, you can see this from two perspectives. This can be a mountain range that could be hitting lower. At the same time, this is also a squeeze, right? Because this is lower highs and higher lows. Something like a symmetrical, right? It's bi-directional. It can be up or it can also be down. But again, we're above the skinny pink line, so we remain with our bullish bias for Injective. Right, Stellar Lumens, let's go. Stellar Lumens is uber weak. I think it's gonna get kicked out of the top 30. Look at how weak Stellar is against BTC. You don't want to see weakness against BTC. You want to see strength. Take a look at NEAR, right? We took a look at it. If you look at Stellar, it's very important that we do not take these lows out. 135, we're at 224. The moment you take out 135, that's it. That's it. It's gone. You can expect more downside. This Stellar could be going down the path of Litecoin, which we took a look yesterday. Look at Litecoin, right? It's down the moment you take this out, right? That's it. Sure, there can be bounces here and there. But it's the slow demise of that coin. So I see similarities, potential similarities on Stellar. So this low has to hold, right? Because this thing could turn into a, you see this, falling wedge. Falling wedges usually break higher. No guarantees. But of course, once you take this out, that's it. It's gone. You can expect Stellar to be gone. Against USD, here we are for Stellar. Anything for Stellar? Yeah, nope. We're expecting all of these clusters to be taken out. So it's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. This is so weak. So many coins have been rising, but where's Stellar? Stellar is still weak, right? We're still marking around the skinny pink line, right? Once you break the skinny pink line, you should have stayed above, but there's no follow through. It just collapsed back down. So yeah, I'd be very, very careful. Not saying you can just zip up in the next hour, but the thing is, yeah, it's weak. So nope, it's a no-go for us. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!